Hi there. Now brace yourselves because what I'm about to say might just startle you. Your dream home is being held hostage, and it's being held hostage by none other than fear itself. But don't worry, in the next 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to learn how to confront and conquer those fears together. Now, it's common to feel apprehension when diving into a new venture, especially one as personal and significant as designing your own home. But remember, it's okay to feel scared. What's important is not to let that fear cripple your vision. So let's break down some of the most common fears that we face. Well, the first one is the fear of making a mistake. You might worry, what if I choose the wrong design? Or what if I don't like the end result? Well, always remember, there's no such thing as a wrong design. It's about what suits you and your lifestyle. And second, there's the fear of overspending. Now, budgeting and planning ahead can alleviate this fear. So keep track of your expenses. And also, don't be afraid to ask your contractor about cost-saving methods. And third, there's the fear of the unknown. What if something unexpected happens during the construction? Yeah, surprises happen all the time, but with a well-prepared plan, they're easier to handle. Now, understanding these fears is just the first step. So let's look at some of the strategies to overcome them. Well, the first thing is to visualize your success. Believe in your vision and the decisions that you've made to bring it to life. And second, break down the big tasks, break them down into manageable tasks. Large projects, they can seem daunting, but taking it step by step can make the journey much less overwhelming. And third, simple, build a support network. Connect with others who've been in your shoes. Share your concerns with them and learn from their experiences. I had a client recently, Jonas, here in Berlin, and despite his initial fears, he successfully designed a beautiful and modern apartment that reflected his unique style and personality. So how did he do that? Well, he trusted the process. He remained active in every design decision, and he was open to learning from others. And now he's living in his dream home. Look, fear, it's a normal part of the journey, but it shouldn't hold you back from creating your dream home. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it as a tool to make better design decisions. Now, if Jonas can do it, so can you. Now, to get more help in managing your fears, download the free PDF that's linked below, and it's filled with helpful tips to guide you through this process. And also, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter for more weekly insights like this one. Again, the link is just below. And what's on the menu for next week? Well, we'll be diving into the art of negotiation. Learn how to get the best deal from your contractors and make sure your vision is not compromised. You definitely don't want to miss it. Well, that's all from me today. And remember, fear is only as deep as the mind allows, so don't allow it anymore. Until next time, dream big and fear not.